Okay guys and gals, another day of MRC. Today we're at Fun Bike Center doing some test rides for Yamaha. Let's check it out. As you can clearly see, I'm not riding anything like a Yamaha. I'm on my Ducati 620 Dark. And let me tell you the reason why. If you're watching this video, you're not seeing an MT-03, 07, 09, a Tracer, any of that. So I'm gonna first, what I would like to do is I'll do my review on the MT-09. I was the one that I got to ride and do a test ride on, and then I'm going to kind of vent a little bit about what motorcycle companies need to do. So guys and gals, again, welcome to MRC. I got to ride an MT-09 2020. And I'm going to tell you right off the bat, that is a fun motorcycle to ride. I recommend that bike in all essence because, for one, it's extremely comfortable. That bike felt like I was riding an extremely powerful bike, but at the same time with super ease. And then if I wanted to just drop the hammer and do a wheelie or do something, you could do it. It was actually a really cool bike. You know, the pros about that bike is obviously being that it's an MT-09, it has all the power. I can put the specs up right now. It has the power. So if you want to romp on it and you want to do something, you can do it. It's like not even a problem. So that's fun. The agility, very flickable bike. And you know, the gauges has the modes. You could 100% feel the modes and how well they worked. They hit a home run with the MT-09. I really like it. And you know, I can only imagine, because I have ridden the MT-07, but I did a 2017 and a 2018. I haven't done the 19 or the 20. But you know, both of those machines, those things are fun bikes, man. So right off the bat, I'm gonna have to tell you, you know, it's a fun bike. I could definitely see you getting in trouble having that bike. So the thing about it, the one thing that I did not like about that bike remotely at all was the seating position. Now I'm not saying necessarily that, you know, the upright, you know, because you're up more like this on an MT-09, you know, that in itself, that was fine. It's about the seating. I felt that I had to be further back off the tank, and I'm only 5'9", but I really felt like I had to be off the tank for it to really feel properly. You know, like if I got on the tank like I am right now with my legs between it, too much on the front tire, and I'm thinking, nah, I'm just not into that. But I just didn't like it. So I would have to say you'd have to upgrade the seat, make it a little bit more cushiony. You know, that's the only thing I could possibly say would be worth it in all essence. But other than that, it's an actually fun bike to have. I could definitely see if I didn't like the Ducati brand and the feel of a Ducati more than a Japanese bike, I like the Yamaha bike. So I definitely want to give Yamaha kudos for the MT-09. There's a reason though why they call that thing legitimately, they call it the grizzly bear, because it's literally like you're on a bear. It has so much power. I'm just telling you, it definitely is a bike that would get you in trouble. So anyways, that's my basic review of the MT-09 Yamaha 2020. Great bike. I wish I could have filmed it, and that's why I'm going to be saying right now what I'm saying. Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit venting.
How dare you?
But listen, this is mainly directed, and hopefully it gets to you bike dealers and, you know, people who sell motorcycles for a living. You know, I'm not necessarily knocking Fun Bike Center, but I want to say this is just something I think in general you guys really need to all start to pay attention.
Why are you the way that you are?
But right off the bat, I couldn't film any of the demo rides.
This is what I do. I was trying to bother you. That's what I would do. I shouldn't have done that.
They said due to insurance purposes, I couldn't film and put my GoPro on. Now, I already know that that's a load of crap, and I don't agree with that whatsoever, because technically the GoPro, if they would have said, hey, you can film, you just can't use it on YouTube or something like that, then I'd be like, okay, I get it. You know, then they don't give me permission. But, you know, GoPros in themselves are to protect motorcycle riders for stupid people cutting them off and doing whatever. But anyways, so we have this fun-loving demo day. I got to ride one bike.
How dare you?
The MT-09. Now, I'm going to go back to when I did Kawasaki's demo day that they had at the beginning of the year. That demo day, I got to do 3 bikes. I have no idea if it's Yamaha's fault or Fun Bike Center or whatever, but the way they did this one for November 2020, I'm extremely disappointed. I saw several people leave lines. They were so disappointed because they wanted to see what 2020 Yamaha had to deliver. And I'm sorry, but you really did fit the 2020 bill perfectly for the crud that I saw.
I shouldn't have done that.
So anyways, I'm gonna go right into the one thing I really wanted to highlight was riding or doing a demo. Now, there was another bike in there I saw, and it was of course a Ducati. Yeah. And you know, I'm sitting there and I saw the bike and I go, you know what, waiting for my stupid one demo day, and the guy comes up and says, oh hey, yeah, you interested in this, da da da. I said, yeah, sure, I would love to actually feel what this bike is. And he comes up and goes, yeah, well, how about you fill out an application?
Why are you the way that you are? Honestly, every time I try to do something fun or exciting, you make it not that way. I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
Huh? Fill out an application? Yeah, da 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 da. No. I am so tired, and I don't know if this is just like a California thing. Why am I going to fill an application out to run my credit, to ding my credit, because I want to try riding a bike that I'm about to spend thousands of dollars on? So that riding motorcycles are dangerous. We are very, very, very aware of that. We all know that. But at the same time, if you want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a motorcycle that you're going to have for a period of time, you're also going to have to get insurance and da 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 da. Why do you make it so difficult to ride a bike, to demo it? If they want to check to see if you have your motorcycle license, and they say, yes, here you go, motorcycle license, and you have proof of insurance, and say that they want you to have a credit card, boom, here you go, here's your credit card, you know, just in case. But you know, if you're selling a motorcycle and you really want to get rid of it, I'm very not understanding why they make you run through hoops and ladders just to be able to get on a bike to ride it on the streets. I don't agree with you guys whatsoever. So Fun Bike Center, I'm sorry, but no, I don't agree with you guys. If I'm going to spend thousands and thousands of dollars, that is exactly what these motorcycles are worth, and I can't even go take it on for a ride, a proper ride, like literally just like this, you know, feel the bike, grab the brakes, any of that. You can't. Are you telling me that you're not allowing me to do that because insurance?
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.
Okay, so get it changed. If you want people to buy your motorcycles, then change it. I just don't agree, because I've taken a riding class. I did stuff. I have proof that I did more than the extra to ride a motorcycle and to be safe at it, but yet you're gonna ding my credit just so I could test ride a bike that I'm not quite for sure I wanted to spend thousands of dollars to own. That is absolutely insane. So no, I'm a little venting because first demo day, one bike. What? So again, I didn't have the ability to really honestly ride bikes that Yamaha produced. So off the bat, they said demo day when it was actually just you get one bike at best and that's it. That's not a demo day to me. So right off the bat, that was, I don't know if that's Fun Bike Center or if that was Yamaha, but no, it wasn't that good. I did not dig that. Kawasaki's was much better. But guys, if you do own a dealership and you want somebody to buy your product, if they have a license, they have insurance, and you know, maybe if you want it, then just hold a credit card just in case. But your insurance should itself cover if somebody does do a demo and say something does happen, you know. But whatever the case is, what the heck? Why do you not allow people to go for a ride? Here's a good example that I think that you should probably implement. If somebody is interested in a bike and they really want to ride it first and then think about it, that's okay. I'm sorry, but if I know you're trying to make your sale and do what you got to do, but you know, if they do go for a demo ride, then get one of the other employees that work there and he takes them for a ride. So he's there watching them. So they can't just go popping wheelies, hitting brakes and doing stuff to the bike that they don't own yet. So try that. Do something like that. I have not seen, personally, I have not seen yet somebody to say, yes, here's the keys. Until on Saturday, right next to Fun Bike Center, BMW was there. You know what BMW did? Here's a copy of your license. Here's a credit card. Boom. Go take the bike out. Go see what you do. Tell us what you think about the bike. Go ahead, take off, go. So you know how many of us jumped on it? Now, unfortunately, I didn't have my GoPro on at that time, and I should have. I'm mad at myself that I didn't jump on it, and I should have. But literally, BMW was saying, take our bikes, have fun. Can you believe that? How awesome is that? That's the way it should be. If you want to sell motorcycles and that's what you do for a living, that's what you need to do, period. Anybody that has ridden motorcycles for a period of time, everybody has their own feel. Everybody has their own style. You know, like super bikes, the crotch rocket, really, you know, super sport style. That's not my thing. You know, it doesn't make me a bad rider. I just don't like it. I like being up a little bit more. That's why I like the naked bikes. The naked bikes, to me, are a revolution towards bikes and their designs. But if not, I would have probably been on an Enduro or a Tracer, Yamaha's Tracer or something. But who knows? I can't ride it. I wouldn't have known. That was a wonderful, wonderful day at Kawasaki Demo. and Fun Bike Center. Everybody there, I give them kudos. That's going to be my vent for the day. Sorry that I did not get to film it, but again, you have to thank fun-loving California and whatever insurance that made it so I couldn't do it. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I got some more stuff planned coming, and until then, take care, have fun, and ooh, he just peeled out. Sorry for the ranting and raving and all the other fun stuff that comes with it. Other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it was longer and more of my ranting, but again, I had to say it, I had to do it. Until then, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And until the next ride, man, ride smart, be smart, and don't do drugs. Take care.